Welcome to today's show. Today I'm going to put my generator on some wheels. I did that. Took the big wheels off. And then I just made a dolly. I had actually this dolly made for something else, but I didn't need it anymore. Just bought the wheels at Rona. And now it moves a lot. And it just moves a lot better than just with the two big wheels. These wheels are swivel. And I'm just going to use this around home anyways. And now I'm going to make a shelter for it. I won't bore you with the details. But I just took some old spindles. Made some sides. I'm going to cut it out. And put these grills in there. And then if the power goes out, I just roll it over to my cord and plug it in. It's all on concrete. Yeah, I'll just show you how that goes. Voila. There, that'll let a lot of air flow in. Okay, there they are. I'm going to put a couple of screws down at the bottom there to hold it in. We'll put one across the top and the front. Back, we'll get at her. There we go. I'm just going to cut a hole right here. Cut a hole right here for the gas. Don't forget that, I almost forgot it. Okay, I just cut the hole. Oh, the train. I just used a hole saw. See if it fits. I haven't got exactly the place. You know what, I should have made it bigger. With the piece I had left, I cut a front piece. It's here. Then I had a little bit left at the end. So I just put it across. You can see the fuel filter and stuff in there. So I left the exhaust side open. I think there'll be lots of air going through there. I'll put the front on now. There, I put the front on. I didn't put a board across the bottom so the cords could go up. So that's it. Temperature, stuff, and noise. Drops a little bit. Right here it is done. See the handles here on the side. Hole for the gas cap. Could have been a bit bigger, but it's big enough. I'll put a lid on that later. Here, vent here. Where the exhaust is, I just put this this bag. I put a vent here and it wasn't enough. Didn't let enough air through and it kept stopping. So this just should keep the snow out, just blow in the wind. Keep the rain or snow out. Well, there it is, all done. Gave it one coat of stain I had left over from my deck. It's going to be inside most of the time anyway. There it is, my portable generator cover. Alright, if you like today's video, subscribe, give it a like. Thanks for watching.